In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your OnePlus Watch 4 to a Wi-Fi network. All you have to do is access the settings, and to do this, simply press the crown button once to access all the applications, and then scroll down and tap on the settings wheel icon, or the settings application, sorry. And then from here, within the settings, find Wi-Fi. Tap on that. And then in case you see that your watch is connected to a Wi-Fi network, this means that you have paired your watch with either your Android phone or your iPhone device, okay? But if it's not connected to a Wi-Fi network, simply scroll down and select Add Network. And then from here, find the network that you'd like to connect to. So let's say, for instance, this particular network. All I have to do is select it. And then you have to type in the password for that particular network. Now, there are two options. You can either use your phone or you can enter the password on the watch. So if you select Enter on Phone, it will prompt you to enter the password on the phone that is currently paired to your OnePlus Watch 4. So type in the password. And then once done, simply tap on Connect. And that should connect your Wi-Fi network on the OnePlus Watch 4. So if you go to Settings, select Wi-Fi, you can now see it's connected to that Wi-Fi network that you are trying to connect to. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.